You are watching SJD Times, your daily dose of campus buzz and beyond. I am Saloni Dhamija. Let's have a look at the top stories. Farmers March disrupt D&D traffic. SGT seminar bridges India-UK dentistry. Gurugram steps up anti-pollution drive. Now, the news is in detail. Massive traffic jams and heightened security were reported at the D&D flyway and the Delhi-UP border as the farmers marched from Noida to Delhi on Monday. Let's have a look. Led by Bharatiya Kisan Parishad leader Sukhbir Khalifa, the farmers are demanding compensation and benefits under the new agricultural laws. The protest caused significant disruptions for commuters with heavy deployment of security personnel to maintain order. Other farmer organizations, including Kisan Mazdoor Morcha and the Samyukt Kisan Morcha, have also announced marches towards Delhi starting December 6, intensifying the ongoing protest. Bureau Report, SJT Times. The Faculty of Dental Sciences, in collaboration with the Office of International Relations, organized an insightful seminar titled Pathway to UK as an Indian Dentist on November 26, 2024. Let's have a look. Renowned UK dental practitioners Dr. Punkit Singh Sudan and Dr. Maneet Kaur shared their expertise, providing valuable guidance for aspiring Indian dentists looking to build career in the UK. The event saw active participation from HODs, faculty members, BDS students, interns and postgraduate students. The seminar served as an excellent platform to understand international opportunities and pathways in dental profession. Bureau Report, SJT Times. Let's take a short break. We will be back soon.
Step into the spotlight at SGT University. Join the Faculty of Mass Communication and Media Technology, where innovation meets excellence. Experience our top-tier infrastructure, a dynamic news recording studio, advanced podcast lab, high-tech PCR, and a professional shooting floor, all equipped with the latest industry technology. Our curriculum, designed to meet industry demands, offers real-world projects that set you apart. Learn from seasoned industry professionals and gain insights from renowned personalities and industrial icons. Ready to make headlines? Ignite your media career at SGT University.
Welcome back after the break. The Gurugram Traffic Police have launched round-the-clock vehicle checks at the city borders to curb pollution under the Graded Response Action Plan. The initiative, which began on Saturday, aims to prevent non-compliant vehicles, including Bharat Stage 3 petrol and Bharat Stage 4 diesel vehicles, from entering Gurugram and Delhi. Let's have a look. Traffic police data reveals over 6,100 vehicles have been fined approximately 10 crore since November 15 for violations such as expired pollution certificates and prohibited vehicle operation. Additionally, older diesel and petrol vehicles have been permanently impounded as per National Green Tribunal orders. Assistant Commissioner of Police Vikas Kumar stated that the checks will continue indefinitely, emphasizing strict penalties for violators to ensure adherence to pollution control measures. Bureau Report, SJT Times. That's all for today in SJT Times. Thank you for joining us. Stay tuned for more updates.